Again, we are recapping from what happened from since beginning till here. So everybody little clue, like some people joined in the middle, and so over years, me myself personally been coming to Matharan. First time I discovered was more than 10 or 12 years ago. I was looking for a place nearby. I put up a set for a movie called Aja Nachle, which I created a big village in Film City, Goregaon. And that is the time I really got connected more closer to the nature because we have our selfish situations where the like work driven, like if I been called to do some set and work and how we clean up quickly because to put up the set or something, and because we have a timeline and in 10 days something to need to be finished or 5 days, and in 1 day this road need to be built, so we just clean up without seeing what we are affecting that to that ecology and all. And while doing like this set was made in 45 days. It's a huge village, around 10-15 acre land. That's when even smallest weeds and um, wild grasses were cleaning. The lot of insects were going here there. That's where I first saw we are disturbing this whole nature, and one two time we saw those that green snake uh, came out from somewhere. People panicked, and then this green snake went and stayed in a bamboo का जो root होता है उस जगह में रहा. And I requested everybody not to touch, not to throw stone, and just let it, like we are disturbing this whole place, and let it be, and it will go on its own. So next day also I came and the snake was still the same place. It didn't move. So as if like it was guarding the whole place, and just in shock ki what happened to my house suddenly. So I felt so kind of sorry for the whole situation, and guilt and everything. So that led me to understand the whole ecosystem, and from there, like the kind of material we use in film sets, and I started inquiring myself, why we use this, why we do this set, and from then only I decided I try to save as many plants been not disturbed or cut since. So in that movie also you see some trees are in anywhere and everywhere. So like how you said about the anthills and protecting them. So whatever I could protect, we did protect it after that in next coming 40 days. And I bought lot many plants from many places like from Pune, and because this whole village need to be like a lively, and um, so we bought quite a lot of, like the whole set's budget was about 3 crore, and out of that around 25 lakhs was spent only on plants to bring from. I kind of almost emptied whatever the nurseries in Bombay, Pune, and some 2, 3, or 4 loads of truck from Bangalore, because in short time I was not getting that many plants. So the plants were collected, and the set happened in time, and everybody was happy. Like the whole compliment of like a lot of people were coming in the auto and getting into the shop and asking for BD and cigarette. अरे ये set है यार. They were realizing, even the film people, even the dhaba was running with the nasta wasta, and I had a atta chakki ka jagah, एक printing press. Everything was all like almost running, and people started leaving. And the whole material I used was totally whatever organic. Like I knew once the set destroys, we have a very bad practice of just chucking it, अरे वो पीछे छोड़ दो, पत्ते छुपा दो, like just covering our mistakes. And because by law you are not supposed to throw it there, but you give 500 to the watchman and the police or whatever, then who's going to dump them in somewhere? So at least I said, in terms of choosing material, I kind of practice that. Okay, even though it falls back here, it will get merged with the earth. And when the set was over, I need to give the place as it is. Obviously, I cannot give as it is, and we disturbed the whole sisters, and the plants were there, and the BMC, the head of MD of Film City said, no, you have to get rid of whatever you bought in. I said, look, leave the plants at least here. He said, no, you can't have this plant here. We need this place clean so we can give it to other people for shooting. So that's when I started looking for a place where I can move the plants. Obviously, not all the plants can be moved, but whatever I can save. that's where I started looking for a place. And I found some place nearby down, and I moved as much as I can, not obviously fully, but 10% or 20%, which I can save. And that's where I came to Matharan to see because it was close by. And since then, I've been coming and going. It's so close to Bombay and not so far. And so this journey with the Matharan started from then, like coming, going, even coming for a day or sometime 2-3 hours also. Morning came, spent 2-3 hours, then went back to my place to just work on that. And this time, like how were we connected, and when we came 3 months back or 2 months back, when we saw this garbage dump here, that's where like it really got me out of like my sense ki this is what is happening. It's like a huge wound like happening, and we have created it. It's not the people of Matharan. I have come many times, so I bought bottles. I must have thrown in the dustbin. So we all, and wherever we throw and we buy, we got into this practice of using and throwing and not thinking where it goes. And this is what took. That's where I started howling and crying. We have to do something. Okay, I cannot do on my own, and that's where I kind of started calling for people, and that's where you all, somewhere or other, you connected, and so we are here for a kind of one purpose is to immediate, abhi something in our body or in our heart, like a big wound is there. So priority is to heal that. So we also feel confident together we can heal a certain part, then we can heal the bigger part. Like this wound is everywhere and it's like growing like anything. So each individual participating in healing that little wound and going back to their own life and just see where are the wounds, like, and just working on that those wounds in their nearby area. So for that purpose we are here. This festival was just one bahana कि हम आए मिले और साथ में काम करें, and we are finding ourselves. We found a family together just living, and we can. This whole thing is like really transforming our own self in this process. So from now, because we have a kind of one target line and this timeline, and we won't be able to this is not a army camp. This is not a something like
school camp.
it's not a school that I'm a teacher. People coming with their complaints, sir, ये ऐसा बोला, वैसा बोला, ये खाना नहीं मिला. Whatever it is, we'll just share and just see each individual's area and try to solve it there. Just imagine you found some